Start by clicking on Automations from the main menu. Click the Add icon to create a new automation. Fill in the required details such as the automation name and other information. Now, click Save. You'll see a message confirming automation added successfully. Next, click on the Edit icon for the automation you just created. Click on the Workflow tab to begin setting up your automation flow. Click the Add icon, select the appropriate condition, and click OK. Now, click on the Edit icon to refine the condition. Select Add Condition, then choose a field name, a condition type, and enter the value. Click Save to confirm. Now, click the Add icon again and choose Distribute Lead as your action. Click OK. Click the Edit icon under Distribute Lead to assign it to a user group. Select the user group, then choose Test User from the list. Click OK, then hit Save. You'll see a confirmation, Workflow added successfully.